red?
Okay.
Is it doing it?
Yeah.
Okay. Take off your lens cap. Okay, if you want it on autofocus, or just right here, you'd probably want it on auto. No doubt. It's up to you.
So what's the display right now? It's recording. Is that the deal or?
Pardon me? No, it's not recording.
Okay.
Well, yes, it is recording if that's flashing red. Yeah, we're recording. No.
All right.
We'll dip over the beginning of this.
Okay, so manual and auto, if you want to do manual, there's just right there. If you want to just play with it,
All right, yeah, play with
switch
it.
is there
Let's
first.
go back and play back.
The flashing light.
That's what we need to do.
We'll throw it in the VCR, take some pictures, and
Hey, it's
make
10
sure
copper.
we're doing it right.
Okay.
Which one is it?
Yeah, you look through this one.
Yeah. Can you
Those
see?
are your...
Try and look
your
official.
switches.
Full people.
Let's put it down. Test out your voice. Excuse me. Put it on auto. KMTV. Sorry, it's still recording. This thing's going. Take some pictures or something. We'll
What
stick it in
happens
there.
if I take the pen?
Stick it in. You're dark.
Are you trying to focus? Zoom.
Yeah.
Zoom.
It's on autofocus now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
No, that's on manual.
Yeah.
When
It's
you
on.
Where are the dogs, eh? Where are the bobs, Where are the bobs, eh?
I'm always the cameraman, eh?
And we'd like to welcome all of you to our video, eh?
This is our Olympic preview.
The Olympics. Up close and personal, eh?
Look, look, we're the Olympics, eh?
This proves it. That's not just a big fire, eh? That's a flame.
They wouldn't let us in, but we're there.
It's okay.
Okay, see that guy at the gate? He wouldn't let us in because we didn't have press passes, eh?
I could have sworn they have javelin today, though, eh?
Hey, maybe get the beer, eh?
We put most in beer cans. Nice, eh?
Beer, man?
No, eh?
Hey,
No,
hey.
we don't have enough beer, eh?
You can't buy beer
man.
till afternoon.
Give me, hey.
Oh, boo!
Hell, man, I didn't say. Concentrated beer.
Somebody calm him down, eh?
Okay, here's the deal, eh? We're in Calgary. And it's cold!
Yeah!
We're freezing our balls off, eh?
Oh, man.
But we are in Calgary, eh? And
made it.
Yeah.
this is our
did it.
video.
Do we need more proof? Hey, you. Are we in Calgary?
What?
She says we're in Calgary, eh?
Well, look at that drink sign, Underhill Road. There's no under California, is there?
No, I don't
Too cold to
think so.
drink. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Well, hey.
Some of this. This ain't cold.
I say Jose's got nothing over me, eh?
Huh?
I got a camera myself, eh?
Doing
Hey,
videos, eh?
take this.
Everybody get
This
a
is like
picture
a
back.
challenge. Video cameras at 5 faces, eh?
Hey, take off, you fleshy-headed mutants.
Oh, shit.
Shit, this is really weird.
I'm gonna yak, I think.
Don't yak.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, what's he doing over there? Is he pissing? Oh, no.
Hey, who's that? You want a beer? God damn, it's freezing on top of the can.
Shit.
Get a close-up of my beer
Close up on
freezing
the
on top of
can,
the can.
Oh, that's cool.
It's
Oh.
fucking cool. Here, have a beer, eh?
They turn it up. Hey, look at this. Look at this. That guy,
He found
he's
a
not
beer.
real smart, is he?
Here, see if you can point out the flame here.
Hey, man, you lose it. You lose
Hey,
it.
give
You
me my
lose it.
beer, eh?
Hey. Hey,
Oh, Jose's got a beer.
Take it away from the cameraman.
Oh, hey.
Hey, don't drink and film, eh?
Oh, whoa. Time out on that.
Police.
Oh, we're freezing our balls off,
This
eh?
beer is freezing so fast.
And the policeman just drove by, eh? Oh, wow.
Okay, dude.
I think it's snowing, eh?
What
You
is
can see it, bro. Real cold. Okay, well, this is the beginning of the film, and so...
And it's gonna go into Calgary, eh?
Yeah.
Welcome to Calgary. Oh, I'm on, eh? Again, this is our video. We're trying to provide everybody with proof that we are here in Canada, eh?
Point to your shirt.
So,
Stanford University.
no, we're not here, but what else is there? The University of Calgary, eh? We are in Calgary.
Okay, that's just proof where we are.
Isn't this the stupidest hat? They gave him a free bowl of soup.
I gotta tell you about our sponsor today. We can't talk too loud. His budget is unlimited kilometers, which in America is unlimited miles. And see, we got the car in San Francisco, but we're in Canada now, so that's kind of unlimited, you know. But we don't really want to talk too loud because budget might not be too happy when they find out their Ford Taurus says 38,000 on it from this trip, eh? But we just like to thank our sponsor, Budget Rent-A-Car, even though they don't know they're our sponsor, eh? And you can see my breath, it's cold.
Okay, everybody, eh? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Budget.
Woohoo! Going, eh?
This is the view from the Japanese team, eh?
This is that.
I think I did. This is downtown Calgary, 9th Avenue. All the people, see, it's a mob scene here in Calgary today. You can hardly walk on the streets. There's so many people in matching parkas.
Hey, isn't that guy an Olympic skier? Eh? No, the guy right there, isn't he an Olympic skier? Yo, hosehead, point the camera that way, eh?
I think, hey, is Bill Johnson over there in that car turning?
No, that's not him.
Oh, that's not him.
Isn't that Carl Lewis over there?
Oh, there he is, going across the street, Carl Lewis. Oh, no, I think we're getting a little carried away with the Olympics. Oh. Okay, we'll back up. We're looking for...
You see before you a 1987 Ford Taurus. This was a beautiful automobile when it left. Now,
It's ugly.
it's a shell of itself.
Look what tape we got on the wood, eh?
Zoom, short.
You see it? Leonard!
Yeah, you can almost read that. If you were drunk, you could read it.
Well?
Now here's the rest of the car, eh? It's pretty trashed. Oh my. That's Doug. He's usually pretty trashed.
Over that way.
I will be soon.
Yeah, I'm always very pretty when I'm trashed.
Well,
Let's go, eh?
we're going
It's
downtown
so
now.
cold here. Hey, let me get on camera.
Over here.
It's so, you know, it's so cold that his beard froze. Hey, wait, I'll go like this.
You're the wrong way.
Okay.
Adrian!
Yo, Adrian!
It's very cold.
That was a quick flash.
Okay, that's the Calgary Theater. You pan up, follow my finger. Not him. Get him out of there. My finger. No, not me. Follow my finger. Okay, that's the Olympic flame at the top of the Olympic Tower. Chris says it looks like the Jetsons' house is on fire. I don't know. Doug?
So Flea took a stupider way to get here than we did.
I took the train from Toronto all the way out here, and let me tell you, it's a boring ass trip.
How long was it? How long was the ride?
I got a train in Toronto on Wednesday and I'm here Friday night.
Holy shit!
Yeah, that includes like stopovers in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. Nothing like spending an hour in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan.
Ouch. So what we're going to?
I got a couple of games. I got a game tonight. I got 2 hockey games tomorrow night, and then I gotta go back home.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a tight schedule.
That hurts.
I saw U.S. Austria last night.
Yeah, we heard it was a little too. Everybody scored though.
But what happened? Well, see, we were leading like 7 or 8 to 2 at one point. Then they put their third string goalie in, and it was like a sieve. It was terrible.
That's what we heard. Well, this is our tape for home. We're live here.
I'm Mark Carter. Pleased to meet you. Hi, Ma. Hi, Dad. Hi, everybody.
There you go. Quick. Anybody else? Any other messages?
No.
This is like double Olympic Jeopardy, eh? These are all the flags of the people at the Olympics, and we're gonna name every single flag here, eh?
Well,
Yeah, right.
Okay, the first one.
Okay, that's the Olympic
Olympic
flag.
flag, Olympic
That's,
flag.
that's the Yugoslavian flag.
Ooh.
That's the IV flag.
It's InterVarsity, right?
That's United.
Yeah, it's InterVarsity.
That's the Soviet flag.
Boo!
That's Turkish.
It's definitely weird.
Swiss.
Cross, man.
Sweden. We'll pass. No, that's Andorra. Come on.
That's our team, eh?
Yeah,
we're from Andorra.
That went Burma, I think.
Yeah. Are we up to
Okay.
Liberia yet?
We'll pass all the way down
To Korea. Go down to Korea.
Oh, we know
eh?
Japan too, eh?
Mexico.
Where's Mexico? There's Mexico. There's Korea and Japan.
Germans.
Hey, that looks like the French.
Italian. Germans.
Finland up there.
I see the British down there.
There's Canada way down there.
Hey, yeah, there's Australia. See Australia and Canada? Yeah, we're cool.
Okay, we got.
Okay, well, we can leave
Yeah.
there.
Let's get a view of our contestants here.
Smile like, woohoo!
Ah, they're getting uglier every year.
Hi, Mom.
Oh my. John Greenleaf says hi, Mom. Yee. Now let's get a picture of the... This is Mona. She's being very helpful.
All right, come with me, eh?
Hi.
My name is Scott, and the 5 of us drove up to California. And yeah, so we're making a little video here for the folks back home. What's your name? Nancy?
Yeah.
Nancy. So Nancy was just here at the hot dog stand. How was it today, Nancy?
I don't know. I've been here about 5 minutes.
She's only been here 5 minutes, so we don't know how hot dogs are selling. Nancy's from Calgary. What do you think of the Olympics here in Calgary?
You're stealing food? Hang on.
Quite a lot of fun.
Quite a lot of fun.
How long have you guys been down here?
We've just been here 1 day so far.
Did you go to Electric?
Yeah.
Did you go to Electric Avenue?
No, we didn't.
No, you should. You do.
Where's Electric Avenue?
It's on Electric Avenue.
Okay.
But it's a good time.
That's good. All right. Have you been selling hot dogs here every day?
No, I just started. Well, like, this is my first 5 minutes. And
Oh,
here I
yeah.
am on a...
Hey, all right. Already. Okay, well, have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Entertainment reporter and Doug the dancer. We have behind us a group of drummers apparently trying to stay warm. Mr. Steiger has implied that actually they're trying a 25-minute drum solo by Cream and Toad.
It's a good bird, Hank.
We think it's the Calgary Dead Show. There's Jerry, the fat one in the middle. This is the Olympic stand where they award all the medals, or all the good medals. And they have their Olympic point.
Say something now, eh?
That is a penguin. A big penguin. It's a male
That was
penguin.
the biggest freaking penguin I've ever seen.
He bites, too. But I have something that I know is confusing you, because it confused me. You're probably thinking Calgary. That's where what's his name got nailed up, right? But I asked the lady at Tourism Information, and she said, no, that...
Horsehead's filming again, eh?
Hey, he's trying to get us with the secret stuff, eh?
What's the story? Hey, look, there's more people in matching clothes coming down, eh? Isn't that nifty? Get behind the horse.
Hey, we have a general theme in the Olympics here. People tend to wear matching clothes. Feel very place, but hey,
So-
you know,
So, Doug, tell us about this person behind you.
this person behind me. This is the horse, eh, with tape on it. I don't know why there's tape on the horse.
We're at the horse's ass right here. We'll move around. This is the official 1988 Mountie horse of the Canadian.
See, after the Lone Ranger died, they had to do something with his horse.
There is
They
one
stuffed him.
problem, however. We have yet to see a Canadian Mountie on a horse, eh?
Oh, more matching jackets.
Oh, they're ABC, eh? They can match.
So yeah, we do have yet to mounted horse yet, but we got that, eh?
Well, this guy's not looking too lively today, but
It's cold out
I think
here,
it's
though.
cold. I think that's ice,
cold.
eh? It's snow on it.
See, it's so cold. The horses aren't even moving. They look like they're standing still.
He iced over last night. Hasn't recovered.
So that's
All right, this is downtown.
that's genuine Calgary horse.
You know anything in Calgary? Now they're selling chairs. Folding chairs for $38.
I'd like to add something for the record, eh?
Let the record refresh.
I'd like to add that a lady in the pin shop at Harry's News and Tobacco Shop came up to me, looked at my hat, said, "Nice hat."
She was, of course, being very sarcastic.
She was, eh? Horsehead.
It is a nice hat, really. Really, it is. I wish I had one like it.
I'd also like to apologize for the previous sacrilegious comments of Mr. Altman.
They even have babies here in Calgary.
Look, there's another horse,
See,
eh?
no breath.
Oh,
Nothing comes out of this horse.
proof. That's a black horse, eh?
They're used to the cold.
Please stay off the horse.
Can you see breath? We couldn't see her breath, eh? You could barely see the breath.
You may ask yourself, what am I doing to this horse?
Trying to revive it.
Best.
See very little narration. Look what God hath wrought.
Next year, Freebird Bar.
Nowhere to stay.
We had no ticket.
We had no ticket. They gave us tickets. Where are you from? We came from California. California?
Yeah. Where it's a lot warmer.
We thought you were far with unlimited mileage. They give you tickets to school. Well, that's this afternoon.
Yeah.
Very good going. They have tickets to go to catch buses. Catch a bus right, take you right there.
Oh, down to the City Hall thing?
Yeah. I don't know if it
Washington City Hall, there's a the other side of the bay here. And they'll give you information where to set up. Hey, Joe, and then you'll take the bus right there.
Right up the hill, yeah.
Yeah, right to the hill. Or you can go to the...
We just got them up there.
Oh, they're very friendly. And do you need a place to stay?
We got it now. We're pretty well set up. Thanks a lot.
But just one. We're from Calgary. You got a message for anybody in California?
Yeah. California dreamers.
Oh, all right. All right.
I went to school in California. I went to school in Palm Springs. And then went to Washington after that. We don't get to do that. We're not. No, I love California. We're going to see the Olympic plane. We were at the opening. Yeah, we were at the opening. Which was fantastic.
Spectacular. Yeah, we saw it.
Unbelievable. And then we're going to, my wife went to the ski jump right here.
Yeah, it's 1:30. Get up there, no problem.
Here comes the band, Chad.
It's the band, Elwood. The band.
Man.
Better go before we get cut off.
Over the Calgary Flying at the end of one period of play. Time now for the Shotcast brought to you by
Follow one of these girls in the front. She's like totally zoom on her. Freak her out.
What's the story, eh, Scott?
Well, that was just the cleanup crew coming through. That was Mo, and Mo looking for Larry, and Curly.
Who are these dorks? Who are these dorks ahead of us, eh?
I don't know. There's some strange people in this town. It's kind of a weird town, you know what I mean?
I don't. Eh? Scott, get down there.
Can we take live film too? I think we can do that. Just panic on it.
Sorry, how do I get the speed effect here?
You want to scream? You're going 120 kilometers an hour. Okay, are we going to scream on 3? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Come on, California, you gotta tell us your name.
Hey, she only knows your name.
Friendly, right? They're coming around again, eh?
All right. Maybe. She's ignoring.
We're on, eh?
Oh, we're on. Well, the previous footage was of a young Calgary lass in the band, and we just wanted her name. She was kind of like the beta chick to me. Except it's the Calgary chick. But it's okay, because we're the best. Make sure she sees you.
Damn it. He's trying to get away from us so the women don't run away.
Maybe you work.
Hey, guy that horked our clothes?
Well, man, he didn't hork that hat from me. He horked it from somebody ugly.
This is live in Beirut.
Looks like most of these cars are from Calgary, from Alberta at least.
What?
We're taking a poll on the automobiles in the parking lot. It looks like most of them are from Alberta, except the strange contraption.
You can barely really read it.
I think it says California.
I believe this is the sun on here.
Yeah, it must be some hippie freak.
We haven't seen the sun all day. We'll pan around. Oh, there. Oh, sun. Ooh.
Yeah, not good for the
But
camera.
it's.
Hey, blind, eh? The camera's blind
how
now.
cloudy
Look at
it
the
is?
sun.
But there's the sun.
I see blue sky over
There's
there.
a.
I don't think
Okay.
you
I
should
see
just how
the
cold
building
it
with
is.
the handle.
We'll go
over
back
there, eh?
live to the studio.
How can we let them know how cold it really
Hey,
is?
Bobs and Doug's, how cold is it really?
It's cold.
Colder than shit, eh?
It's so cold the beer freezes, eh?
It's
Without
great.
you having to do anything.
It's great. You know, you drink the beer, and the longer you have it, the colder it gets. How can you go wrong here?
What a country.
because it turns into beer slush.
So here's the deal.
Put it on
That
a
was
stick.
that was our day in Calgary. We got tickets. We saw some chick in the band.
We saw the Hudson Bay Company. We
Well,
met a girl in the
souvenirs.
band.
All of you watching this film will soon be getting these souvenirs. Except for the shot glasses, they're for us.
and the beer, which we have yet to get.
Yeah.
So now.